Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term sa. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, sa is a casual slang greeting or shorthand often used in texts or online chats. People use it when they want to say hi quickly or acknowledge someone casually. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. So first showed up in online chat rooms in the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young internet users and texting communities. Now let's check out how to use a sa in a sentence. Correct example 1. Hey, I just saw your message and wanted to say sa quickly. Correct example 2. Sa, are you coming to the party later? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said sa at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using sa right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Sa means a casual slang greeting used in texts. It started in online chat rooms in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with sa in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.